Welcome back to my channel, guys. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a scrunchy headband without plastic. So please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly click on the subscribe button, and also do not forget to click on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I post a new video. So for this tutorial, we're going to be needing our doll face satin as well as our 1 inch width elastic. So if you're ready just like I am, please let's get to work. Please do not forget to subscribe, guys, so I can keep making more videos like this. Thank you. Okay, so we're going to need one piece of doll face satin, which is 10 inches in width and 50 inches in length. You can make this smaller if you want a smaller headband. However, I would want this headband to be quite big. So it's going to be 10 inches in width and 50 inches in length. You can make it smaller than this, depends on what you want to do. So I'm also going to be needing another piece of satin, which is 3 inches in width and 15 inches in length. I'll be needing two like this, of the same measurement, of the same length and width. Okay, so these are the pieces you're going to be needing for our headband. We're also going to be needing our elastic, a 1 inch elastic, which is 7 inches long. So now we're going to take our satin, which is 50 inches long and 10 inches wide, and then we're going to fold it in four, just like I'm doing. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to pin it down so that it doesn't move while I'm working. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to measure 2 inches from the base of this piece. And I'm just going to mark it like this. Next, I'm going to take my ruler and mark and draw a line from this part I marked to somewhere close to the middle of this folded piece, just like this. And then I'm going to take my scissors and cut this out. Okay, so now that I'm done cutting, I'm just going to open it up so you can see what it looks like when I'm done. So this is what it looks like when I'm done. You can see it's not straight, it's kind of curved at both edges. So I'm just going to run a stitch 1/2 inch from the edge of this piece. I'm going to run the stitch from beginning to end of this piece. So I'm just going to fold this 3-inch wide piece into two like this. And I'm also going to run a stitch from beginning to end on both pieces, both 15-inch long pieces. I'll be doing the same thing for this other piece. So I'm just going to go run my stitch and I'll show you. So this is what it looks like after I've run my stitch. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to turn out all these pieces. Okay, so I've turned out all of them. So I'll take my elastic and then I'm going to put it into one of my 15-inch long pieces, and this is what it looks like. I've used a pin to secure it on both ends so the elastic doesn't come out. So I'm going to take the other piece 15-inch long piece, and I'm going to put it inside this other piece. Okay, so this is what it looks like when I'm done. I'm also going to pin this. Okay, so now I'm just going to secure this ends with my sewing machine. Just going to run a stitch. So I've run a stitch on all of them to hold it in place. So now I'm going to take this elastic part and I'm going to put it into this other part. So well, first I'm going to fold it in like this. And then I'm going to take the edge of the elastic piece and then put it inside. Then I'm going to fold both sides in like this. And then I'll just hold it with a pin. I'll secure it with a pin so it doesn't come off. I'm also going to do the same thing for the other side. Please, while doing this, make sure that the parts you have joined, put on the 50 inches long parts, and on the elastic parts, make sure they match at the back. So I'm going to fold this in. I'm just going to put my elastic inside it, just the way I did for the other side, and I'll use a pin to secure it. After which I'm going to take this to my sewing machine and then I'm going to hold it in place with a neat stitch. So this is what it looks like when I'm done. Our headband is ready. So thank you guys for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye guys.